Good evening. It's nighttime here in my beautiful home, and this sparked me to talk about, one of the main questions I hear about is renting versus buying, which is better. That's what we'll talk about today. For me, my own personal opinion, I've rented, I've owned homes. I just love to own a home, to be honest. I like having it. There's pride there. I guess you've heard the saying, home ownership pride, or home pride, homeowner pride. I don't remember the saying exactly. But anyway, there's real pride there. You feel good about it. It gives you confidence. It makes you want to take care of the place, right? If you're renting the place, you're thinking, I don't want to pay this guy's mortgage and cut his grass and paint his house. Like, you don't really, there's no pride. So you end up living in a place that's kind of not the nicest maybe, or it might be, but it's not yours. So you're missing out on the great opportunity. I just love it. I love knowing that I'm gonna own it. I love knowing that if I sell it, I'll get the profit. I love knowing that a landlord can't kick me out. If the neighbors don't like something I'm doing, they can go to the police, but they can't go to my landlord. They can't do anything to stop me from enjoying the home that I'm in. You can have parties at your house. You can have and you can do whatever you want. Have dogs, cats. It's your place. So definitely better to own, 100%, no doubt. And the other thing is real estate always goes up, always. I have a friend, he's an investor, he's a millionaire. He always tells me, you gotta wait 10 years, because when you buy a house, it's gonna go up and down. You might buy it for $300,000, then it goes down to being worth $200,000. But at the end of the day, you're gonna make money. It's gonna be worth $400,000 or $500,000 at the 10-year period, at the end of the 10-year period. So you always make equity. You're always gonna come out ahead. Well, let's say that you don't want to sell it because there's no profit yet, but you want to move. No problem. Rent it out. Have some income. Have someone else pay your mortgage for you while it's increasing in value. I mean, it's just 100% better than renting. I mean, who wants to live in an apartment? I mean, you could buy a condo, I guess, as well, but I'd buy a condo, and put in soundproof walls. Can you do that in a rental? No. Would you? No. But if you own the place, you can tailor it to your own needs. Whether it's a condo, whether it's a townhome, whether it's a house. Definitely better to own. Absolutely. Now, are there negatives to owning a home? Yeah, there are, right? I'm painting my house right now. Is it cheap? No, it's costing me about $5,000 or so, but I'm enjoying it because I love looking at how beautiful it is. But you got to protect your house, right? Paint protects your house, so it's worth it. Also, the sales value goes up. I can sell it for more, I can sell it for easier. So if tomorrow I decided to sell it, I could sell it in a day, no problem. Because it looks amazing, right? My yard looks, everything I have in my house looks great because I have home ownership pride and I make sure everything's beautiful. But you do have repairs. If the plumbing goes out, who pays it? I do. If the roof needs to be replaced, who pays it? I do, right? Well, insurance could pay roofs, right? There's some tricks there. You can ask my mom. She had the insurance company pay for her roof, some wind damage or something. But in any case, point being, there are those downsides. But to me, I don't care. I'd rather own a home any day. I'll pay the repairs. Now, you may be thinking, well, if I have a mortgage, I'm just paying the bank, right? They actually own the house. I'm renting it from the bank. And that's true to a degree, but eventually you'll own it. If you sell it, who gets the equity? You get the equity. A bank doesn't care if you have a dog living in the house or having roommates or whatever, right? It's your home. The bank owns it in a sense. You pay them rent, you pay them interest. And right now, rates, they may be higher than they've been in a while, but they're still super low. I mean, a 6% rate, it's great. I mean, compared to the past when it was 8, 10%, 13%, 17%. So it's not that big of a deal. And really, it's pennies on the dollar. You might pay an extra $100 a month right now. It shouldn't stop you from buying a home. So that's all I can think of right now. But I was just thinking of how wonderful my house was and why would I want to rent. And I thought I would share it with you. And just have a great day. Make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.